The art of simplicity, delicious meals in a snap. Life gets busy. Juggling work, family, and daily errands can often make cooking feel like a chore. But what if I told you that crafting delicious meals doesn't require a long list of ingredients or hours in the kitchen? Let me share my journey of discovering the magic of 5-ingredient recipes and how they've transformed my cooking routine. It all started during a hectic week. My schedule was packed, my fridge was half empty, and takeout was becoming a little too routine. I missed the joy of a home-cooked meal, but felt daunted by the idea of complicated recipes. One day, while scrolling through my pantry, I spotted a can of chickpeas, a jar of pesto, some fresh spinach, and pasta. I thought, why not toss these together? That evening, I whipped up a creamy pesto pasta that took 15 minutes to make. The simplicity was liberating, and the taste? Absolutely divine. That was the light bulb moment. I realized that the magic of cooking lies in creativity, not complexity. 5-ingredient recipes became my go-to, proving that less can indeed be more. The secret? Choose high-quality ingredients that pack a punch of flavor. Let me share 3 of my favorite 5-ingredient recipes that have become lifesavers. 1. Zesty lemon garlic salmon. Ingredients: salmon fillet, garlic, lemon, olive oil, and parsley. Method: rub the salmon with olive oil, mince garlic, and a squeeze of lemon. Bake for 15 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Garnish with fresh parsley, and voila! 2. Avocado caprese salad. Ingredients: avocado, mozzarella, cherry tomatoes, basil, and balsamic glaze. Method: slice everything, arrange it beautifully, and drizzle with balsamic glaze. This salad screams freshness and is ready in under 10 minutes. 3. One-pan chicken fajitas. Ingredients: chicken breast, bell peppers, onion, fajita seasoning, and tortillas. Method: toss everything, except tortillas, with seasoning and bake at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Serve with warm tortillas for a no-fuss meal. These recipes taught me that cooking doesn't have to be elaborate to be enjoyable. The 5-ingredient rule simplifies grocery shopping, minimizes waste, and keeps my kitchen stress-free. It's perfect for anyone balancing a busy lifestyle, or even for those just starting their cooking journey. So, the next time you're pressed for time or uninspired, remember, a handful of ingredients can create a masterpiece. Who says gourmet can't be simple?